Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We know that the statement which can be written in the form if then are called conditional statement. The part of the statement following if is called antecedent and the part following then is called consequent. Take out page number 11 of your textbook, practice set 1.3. Question number 1. Question number 1 is write the following statement in if and then form. The statement is, the sentence is, the opposite angles of a parallelogram are congruent. This is a simple sentence which contains two parts. The first part is, if a given quadrilateral is a parallelogram, then its opposite angles are congruent. Now we try to insert if and then in this statement or in this sentence. If a quadrilateral is a parallelogram, then its opposite angles are congruent. Second question is, the diagonals of a rectangle are congruent. Now we try to insert if and then in it. The diagonals of a rectangle are congruent. This is a simple statement. It contains two parts. The given quadrilateral is a rectangle, and if the given quadrilateral is a rectangle, then its diagonals are congruent. Now our answer is, if a quadrilateral is a rectangle, then its diagonals are congruent. Its diagonals are congruent. This is the statement in if and then form. There is third sub question in question number 1, which is your homework. Now look at question number 2 of practice set 1.3. In the second question, statement is given. Write converses of the following statement. We have to write the converse of the given statement. Question number 2. The first question is the alternate angles. The alternate angles formed by two parallel lines and their transversal are congruent. Let us listen the statement again. The alternate angles formed by two parallel lines and their transversal are congruent. The converse of the statement is converse. Alternate angle. If alternate angles formed by two lines and transversal if alternate angles formed by two lines and its transversal are congruent then the lines are parallel. The given statement is alternate angles formed by two parallel lines and their transversal are congruent. The converse of the given statement is we attach if here. If alternate angles formed by any two lines and its transversal are congruent, then the two lines are parallel. This is the converse of the statement. Question number 2. Look at page number 11. Second sub question of question number 2. If a pair of interior angles made by a transversal of two lines are supplementary, then the lines are parallel. Now converse of this statement is if two parallel lines are converse, if two parallel lines are intersected by a transversal then interior angles so formed interior angles so formed are supplementary. Sub question 3 of question number 2 of practice set 1.3 is your homework for today. Now meet you in the next lecture. Thank you.